The era of artificial intelligence and machine learning is upon us. In the next minute, we will explore the relationship between Google and machine learning.
Let's start with the definition. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that allows systems to learn and evolve in real time from experience without being programmed.
For example, Google has been rolling out machine learning in its ads. Advertisers can now offer Google multiple headline and ad content options that result in tens of thousands of ad combinations. Google then chooses which options will be shown based on a user's search intent.
If you're searching the web, it means Google will be offering better results. If you're advertising, it means you need to be even more strategic and thoughtful in how you write and deliver your ads.
If you'd like to take a deeper dive into Google machine learning or want to know how you can welcome what's next, give us a call. We'd love to talk.